To save a selection on Photoshop. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you are going to make a selection. So for that, you have different tools. So there are tools like object selection, quick selection, wand tool, and also you have lasso tool, polygon lasso, and magnetic lasso tool. So I am going with the object selection tool to make a simple selection so that you can know how to make the selection saves. So this is a selection. I have to go over here and select subject, so it will only discard the current selection. So this is over here, so my selection will be increase over here. This is the main selection, so there is a select and mask option. So this is the selection mask option over here. I can see though, so there are some options over here in which I can change the selection however I want. I can smooth it down, I can also increase the transparency. So this is the selection that I have made. So in order to save this selection, I have to go to the output and go to the new layer, and then click OK. As I click OK, this selection is now saved on a new selection. This is how I can make a selection and save it on a new selection. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.